Hi, and welcome to your own marketing system and the free lead system forever quick tip training on how to create a lead capture page in 60 seconds. Now this tutorial is going to assume that you've already used your system, you've put your information under account, my information including the company specific URL of your replicated website, and now we're going to start, and in that 60 seconds we're going to make a lead capture page. Put your mouse over websites, create lead capture pages. Scroll down. You see there's many different options. We're going to use the easy video capture pages because they're nice looking and because they're quick. So I'm going to take this one. There's a couple of different options. I like this one because it has a family in it. We're going to click choose. Now there are 4 steps in this process and they're not difficult steps. The first one is you have to give it a title. I'm going to call it test lead capture. When you create your title, please do not call it test lead capture. Please call it something relevant to what you're promoting and make it keyword rich because that will show up in the URL. In step number 2, choose an autoresponder to send out. If you don't have one, then you're going to need to go back and get one and put one in here. But before you do anything, you need to plan. So if you're going to be creating a lead capture page, then you should know already what you're going to be sending out. If not, no problem. Come down to the bottom, save, go put it in, and come back. I'm going to be using the RevAds network autoresponder campaign that I already have in here. Here's a little tip for you. If you're not sure of exactly what that campaign is, you can click on View Campaign and take a look and say, yep, that's it. Now come down to step 3. Select the domain to use with this lead capture page. By the way, if you haven't noticed, there's this little question mark next to each one of these questions that you're asked, just as a little reminder. Well, as you know, the system is run off of subdomains. We do not have a subdomain currently because we just started this lead capture page, but that's not a problem because you can tick off the 3rd option and say I want to use a new address. I'm going to call this test revads. Bingo, I now have a subdomain for this. The last question is, when using the domain above, where do you want prospects to go after completing the survey? I want them to go to my company, the corporate URL of a company I promote. If you only promote one, there'll only be one in here. If there's more than one, click the drop down, select the one that you want, and click Save Changes. Now the next step is select where to get the video from. If you want to use a video from the library, you'll click on that button there and take a look and choose which video that you want. If you want to use another video, you're going to tick off the 2nd option, click Save Changes. It opens up a box. Now you're going to need to know what video are you going to use. If you don't have your own and your company has videos, use their videos. If you're going to use somebody else's YouTube video, you are allowed to if they allow you to embed it, but please note that that embed code is going to include their branding. So if they're in the same company that you are and they're promoting the same company and you use their YouTube embed code, there is a chance that they might sign up or buy product from the other person. So you need to be sure that wherever you're getting your embed code from is a place that is either yours or generic. Generally speaking, a lot of these companies have their own YouTube channel and they're not branded, so that's usually a good idea. Well, I know I'm going to be using this one here. It's a video I created. It's on my page, so it's not a problem. Where you get the embed code from is you click on Share. You scroll down, you click on Embed, and you simply copy the code that's inside the embed box, come back to your admin area, paste it in, decide do I want it to start automatically or not. Yes. Click Save Changes. That's it. I'm done. That's my lead capture page. Now how awesome does that look? That is really cool. And it took a little bit longer than 60 seconds only because I was talking and giving you some extra advice in between, but if you recall, the only thing that we did was fill out 4 questions, which are very simple, decide what video we want, and voila, lead capture page. So I hope you found that helpful. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next tutorial on the next template that you can use to create a lead capture page.